Wanted to show everybody how I made my own Angleball set. Angleball was a game that I was introduced to at our Wisconsin Health and Physical Education Conference in October by Maureen Vorwald, and loved the game. Wanted to figure out how I could do it in my class on a very limited budget. Couldn't afford the regular Angleball set, so this is what I came up with. Here is my standard, my bottom part. It is made up of 2-foot sections of 1.5-inch PVC connected in the center. Here it is threaded, so I can connect the original or the big pole to that, and then on the sides I glued it in there. I can take these off here and store them for easy storage. In my situation, I have a big storage room, so I leave these connected, but if I had to transport to a different building, it would be easily able to take apart and put back together at my new school. So, and then there's the other part. So that's the standard. Pretty easy to put together. We cleaned it with PVC cleaner first and then glued those pieces in. The main pole I chose was 8 foot high. I did experiment with a 10-foot section, but it just seemed a little high and harder to transport if I had to go to a different building. So I made it into an 8-foot section. And then I want to show you down here at the bottom. I did have to do a little bit of a hack here because the first time I made it, it was a little top heavy. So I put an extender at the bottom to keep that, and now it's like perfect. So it stays up. I do have right here, this is the hole that I drilled in and put some paracord along with a washer so it doesn't float through. And then to put it up, you just take it and it goes right up on top there. So one of the other things that I wanted to highlight is how I was able to get that ball or that string through the ball. I just took a gopher, little shout out to gopher here, dodgeball here. The only time I use a dodgeball, by the way, 7-inch diameter. Okay, I like the density of this ball. It's nice and firm, hard, so it holds really well. I took the natural hole that was in here, and I took a wire coat hanger and attached my cord to it and stuck it all the way through. And then I was able to then use a washer and knot it so it was able, so that ball or so that hole did not get any bigger. So. Angleball can be played with 2 standards or 1. I actually play with 1 standard and have 2 games going on at once in my gym to keep all of my kids busy and active. So if you have any other questions, you can certainly email me at jclark@waupun, waupun.k12.wi.us. Thanks.